Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming that your recovery email or phone is reachable, because you may need a code. Next, sign into account. Microsoft. Com with your current Outlook/Microsoft credentials to access security settings. This is critical to authoritatively change your password. Once signed in, navigate to Security Password Security. Make sure your two-step verification settings are visible, since that affects the steps you'll follow. These prerequisites prevent lockout and streamline the change. Now you'll change the password. Open Security, choose Password Security, and select Change Password. Enter your current password to prove it's you, then type a new strong password. Aim for at least 12 characters with symbols and mixed case. Make sure the new password is unique versus other accounts to reduce breach risk. If prompted for a verification code, retrieve it from your recovery device and enter it. Once accepted, update any mail clients or devices that use your Outlook account immediately. To finish, update stored passwords in Outlook apps, mobile mail, and any linked services so sync continues. Once done, sign out other sessions to secure the account. Then test signing in on a different device to confirm the new password works everywhere. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use the recovery email or phone to request a code, or follow Microsoft's identity verification prompts. This restores access while keeping your account secure. Make sure to re-enable two-step verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.